Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, now I am going to start my class. My today's lesson based on class 6. Okay, welcome to my class. First of all, I will see you some photos. Look at the photos. What we are watching this. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is operating a computer, a laptop, and today we are going to learn something about computer. Before this, I want to show you something. Please look at the board. My introduction. I am Mr. Sanaullah and a senior student teacher from Pipala Shikha Sadasya High School, and today I will teach you English for today for class 6. Learning outcomes. That means what we are going to learn today. First of all, by the end of the class, students will be able to read and understand text and ask and answer question. Read aloud with proper pronunciation, stress and intonation. We will learn these things from the class. Just give attention to my class and you will understand everything. Okay? And I request Kaif and Tanvir to give attention to my class and you will understand everything in the class. Okay? Just look at the board. Before starting my class, I want to show you some photos, some pictures. Okay? Just look at the photos and you will tell me what are these. Okay? You will tell me what are these photos. Okay. First of all, what we are watching this? What is this? Can you tell me?
Memory and RAM.
Memory and RAM. Good. Memory and RAM. These are memory and RAM. Do you know the function of memory or RAM? RAM is speed up a computer's performance. Okay? RAM is speed up a computer's performance so that we can do our work faster. Okay? RAM helps us. RAM is in computer, in mobile phone, in smartphone, in tab, in laptop, everywhere RAM. Okay? Just look at the board. It is RAM. Okay? Okay. Now we watch another picture. Okay. Do you know it? It is cooling fan.
Cooling fan.
It is
Cooling
fan.
fan.
Okay. It cools the computer when it becomes hot. It cools the computer. It is cooling fan. It is
Cooling
fan. Good. Do you know the picture? It is motherboard. What is this?
It is
motherboard. Motherboard. A mother holds everything. Like this motherboard hold the computer's main part. Okay? It is motherboard. Do you understand? It is motherboard. Okay. Now the all internal part of the computer here. The picture is shown here, there. Everything is there. Computer's internal part. Okay? Okay. Now look at the today's lesson. Our today's lesson, what? Can you guess what we are going to teach? Our today's lesson is what? What is this?
Computer.
What is this?
Computer.
Computer. Our today's lesson is computer. Okay? Now there is a passage in your book about computer. Okay, now I am going to request one of my students to read the passage, and I request him to come in front of me and he will read aloud the passage. Okay, you come first.
Reading passage. The invention of the computer is very important in human life. It has changed the lifestyle of people in the world. We use it in every sphere of our life. We can use it for studies, communication, watching movies, listening the music, playing games, from any part of the world on the computer. People do not feel lonely as they can send emails to their friends and relatives. Some of their friends and relatives also live in far off countries. Even they can talk to them face on the Skype. With computer, a person can always keep himself updated. Everybody should learn to use the computer. In fact, the computer has made people's work easier and faster. At present, it has become a part of our daily life.
Okay, it's the end of there. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Good boy. Thank you. Please come back. Now, look at the board again. The invention means discovery. Do you know invention? This is the summary of the passage, and here we know the computer's function, computer's activities, what we do with computers. Okay? Thank you, Kai, for reading the passage. I appreciate you for reading this passage. Okay. Now we are going to learn something new. Okay. Look at the picture. There is a photo of an old person. Look, photo of an old person. Can you tell me who is the person?
Yes.
Who?
Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage. Who is the man?
Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage. Okay. Read it.
He is the father of computer.
He is the father of computer. Charles Babbage invented computer first. A long time ago. A long time ago. Who invented computer? Charles Babbage invented computer. Okay? Do you understand? He is called the father of computer. The father of computer. Who? Charles Babbage. Good. Individual work. And do you know how many functions of a computer? Do you know it? How many functions of a computer? You will discuss it yourself and write it on your notebook. We can play games, watch movies, send emails. Okay? Everything. We can do it. We can do our work faster with computer. Okay? Now, Tanvir, come here. Do you have any computer in your home?
Yes.
Yes. What do you do with the computer? What do you do?
I will play game
Yes.
and watch movies.
Watch movies. And do you use Facebook on computer?
No.
No, you don't use it. Do you play games on computer?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes, that's good. Okay, go to your seat. Okay. What is computer? What is computer?
Computer.
Okay. Now I request Kaif to come again to tell me what is computer. Come here and read it.
Computer is an electronic machine which has input, CPU and output.
Output. Good. Come back. Tanvir, go to the board and read it.
Computer is an electronic machine which has input, CPU and output.
Good. Okay. Come back. Okay. Now we will watch some photos about computer's performance. What can computer do nowadays? What can computer do nowadays? We will see some photos. Look at the metro rail. Look at the metro rail. It is computerized metro rail. Computerized metro rail. Computer can run a metro rail. Okay. It is computerized metro rail. Okay. Next. computerized internet. We can use internet on computer. We can watch movies, play games, okay, listen music in computer by using internet. Okay. What is this? It is computerized sewing machine in every garment sectors. Now they are using computerized sewing machine. It's automatic. It is run by computer. It is computerized sewing machine. So computer has many function. Computer has. We are doing some functions here. Okay. What is this? It is a mill. Okay. It is computerized mill. Okay. Look, a singer is singing song by using his keyboard. Okay. Do you know the keyboard is computerized? Okay. It is computerized keyboard. Okay. What is this? Computer training. What is this? Computer training. Good. Facebook. Very popular. And nowadays almost all of us have a Facebook account. Okay.
Yes.
It is computerized social media. Okay. Here we see computerized control in platter machine. Okay. Now look at this. Computers instrument. All the instruments of computer are here. CPU, motherboard, cooling machine, and hard disk, DVD player, everything here. Okay. Computers parts. Okay. The parts of computers. Now some keywords. We will learn some keywords from the passage. Okay. Here I will use some Bengali word to make you understand. Okay. Now I request you guys to go here and read it.
Sphere, পরিমণ্ডল, কমিউনিকেশন, যোগাযোগ, মোমেন্ট, মুহূর্ত, ফার অফ, দূরে, আপডেট, যুগোপযোগী, ইনফ্যাক্ট, প্রকৃতপক্ষে, ফেস টু ফেস, মুখোমুখি, ইজিয়ার, সহজতর, ফাস্টার, দ্রুততম, ইনভেনশন, আবিষ্কার, ইম্পর্টেন্ট, গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, রিলেটিভ, আত্মীয়স্বজন.
Okay, you come back. Go here and read the rest of this. From relatives.
রিলেটিভ, আত্মীয়স্বজন, হিমসেলফ, হি, লাইফ, জীবন, স্টাইল, বৈচিত্র্য, স্টাডিজ, পড়াশোনা, ইনফরমেশন, তথ্য, এভরিবডি, প্রত্যেকে.
Okay, thank you. Go back to your seat. There are some keywords from the passage, and you will write down the keyword on your notebook and memorize it to understand the passage well. Okay? You need to learn the word meaning to understand the passage very well. Okay. Evaluation. It is your homework. Plus evaluation. You will do this in your notebook. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. You should not say right now. You will write it on notebook. How many used in computer? Name of the 5 items of computerized machine. Okay? It is your homework. Okay. Time 5 minutes. Okay. Next homework. Your second homework is write the importance of learning computer. Within 15 sentences. It is a homework. The importance of computer. What can computer do in our life? Okay? Thanks all for attending my class, and we hope our country will be digitalized one day. Okay, my dear students, take care and Allah Hafiz. I will see you again next class.